Welcome to Mr. O'Connell's string lesson videos, where we're going to review what we went over this past week during the lesson. The first thing today for our first bass lesson, I just want to review the parts of the instrument, the posture, how you hold the instrument, how you stand with the instrument, and just a plucking song to learn the names of the strings. Okay, so this swirly thing up here, this is called the scroll. We have the neck and then the body of the instrument. Um, Down at the bottom of the body, there's the end pin, and that's usually a screw. You just unscrew it, pull out the end pin for the correct height, height for the instrument, and we'll go over what the correct height should be about. So this is the fingerboard of the instrument. This usually can be a black piece of wood. This is like a tan brown piece, but usually the fingerboard's black. Then down here at the bottom, you'll see this is the bridge, and then the tail piece is right here. Great. So that's the main parts of the instrument. Let's review posture. So now, in terms of the height of the instrument, some of you will not have to move the end pin out at all. Others do that are maybe a little bit taller. You'll have to put it out a little bit, a few inches. But you want this piece right here is called the nut, this piece of wood that the strings go over. The nut should be about eye level. Now everybody's a little bit different. You'll find out what's most comfortable for you. So that's basically how high you want the instrument. What I like is actually this back corner of the instrument, okay, right here. I like that to be a little bit to the left of my belly button. Now I'm sitting down with the instrument right now because the instrument's a little short for me. But but you want this back corner of the instrument to kind of be right to the left of your belly button, okay? So like sitting, so the instrument's not just on the side of you, but is actually turned out a little bit, okay? Now, you want to take, after you do that, I want you to take your hand here, and this is another part of the instrument, the block of the instrument, right here, this piece of wood right here. You can just hold the instrument right here with your left hand, okay? We're going to pluck with the right hand. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Put the thumb on the side of the fingerboard, okay? Maybe halfway between the top of the body and the bottom of the fingerboard, okay? Just right about here. And you're going to pluck each string 3 times with a little space between each string, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now each string has a name. It's a letter. The name of the string is just a letter. But I'm going to teach you a little chant to try to remember the names of each string, okay? So it goes like this. Go, 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 go falling down, 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 down through the air, 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 and fly like eagles, eagles, eagles. Okay, so we have go, that's the G string, the farthest string over where you're plucking first. That's go, 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 that's the G string. Down, 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 that's the D string. Down through the ground, down through the air, 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 and fly like eagles, eagles, eagles. So I hope that that teaches you the names of the strings. We have the G string, the D string, the A string, and the E string. Okay, so great. So that's your first lesson, and just remember to put in the end pin if you're putting away the instrument in your case. Make sure you put the end pin in before you put the instrument away. All right. Look forward to seeing you next week. I hope that was helpful.